All right, we have some big breaking news coming in. Ratan Lal, who's a professor of the BU University, who's been arrested for making a comment which allegedly is derogatory on the acclaimed Shivling in the Gyanvapi mosque. He's now going to be presented before the Tis Hazari Court. Heavy police deployment in the court premises. Ratan Lal cries foul, says wrongfully been arrested. Ratan's lawyer says, and I quote, offences are bailable. Ratan Lal's lawyer has said he is not the criminal and will not run away. He teaches in a reputed college. You did not serve any notice to him or give any chance for him to reply to this complaint. Offences are bailable. He has been arrested in a wrongful manner. A person has the right to freedom of speech and expression, says Ratan Lal's counsel. He only tried to be humorous. If people's tolerance levels are so low, I cannot help it. Ratan Lal was not served any notice before arrest. A person has a right to defend himself. He is not a hardened criminal. This is the counsel of Ratan Lal, who speaks as Ratan Lal is now presented before the Tis Hazari Court. Big development there. Of course, several student groups coming out to slam the arrest of Ratan Lal, calling this absolute violation of the freedom of speech. They claim that he only expressed his views and he did that in a humorous manner. What was so insightful on that? Shreya Chatterjee, who's been tracking these developments from Delhi, joins us. Shreya, Ratan Lal is now going to be produced before the Tis Hazari Court. A couple of angles here that we're looking at. One, of course, the arrest, the counsel claims, is a violation of freedom of speech. He says that if people's threshold to consume humor is so low, I cannot help it. Ratan Lal wasn't given a notice before arrest. He has all the rights to justify himself before his arrest. These are claims, of course, and arguments put forth by Ratan Lal's counsel. We know that Ratan Lal's students, many of them protesting against this arrest. What is the next legal option for him?
Well, Annabella, there's an update from the Tis Hazari Court that the order on his bail application that's been moved in by his counsel has been reserved. Now, the arguments, as you also pointed out, were on the lines that he's not a flight risk, he's not a hardened criminal. There was no notice that was served to him because everyone has a right to defend arrest. These were the arguments that were put forward by the counsel.